So first things first, you need to come right here to TikTok. And once you come to TikTok, you're going to click up to this search bar, and there's something you're going to be typing in this search bar. I'm going to be showing you that in a little while. And once you've done that, you're going to come here next, right? Put in your URL that you're going to be copying. Now put in your
I absolutely hate these types of videos. There's so many things wrong with this video, which we're going to cover in this video, but these videos are incredibly problematic, and they give the affiliate marketing to make money online space a bad name. In this video, we're going to talk about everything that's wrong with this method, starting with this is a copy and paste method of a video that he's seen. Most likely he hasn't done this himself, and so he doesn't know if this truly works. But let me just quickly recap what this video is about, why it doesn't work, and all of the better opportunities out there. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pocket. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. As I mentioned, with this method and many other videos like it, you can search and find probably 400 that are just like it. This is not going to work. It won't work. It hasn't worked in the past. I've actually tested this exact same side hustle before, and the only reason why I'm making this content is because I was doing research for this video and found this exact same video. My biggest problem is that there are over 279,000 views on a method that will not work. You are getting these people's hopes up because these people are desperate. They are in need of better ways to make ends meet. I've had so many people comment that, hey, I've got a disability, I can't work. I recently lost a spouse and I'm looking for supplemental income. And videos like this prey on people's shortcomings, their adverse situations. If we look at this, for example, you can see, hey, great idea, I'm in need of some money, blah, blah, blah. People are going to waste so much time, and that's another problem I have. The most precious commodity we have is our time. And if people are wasting their time doing a method that won't work, you are literally wasting people's time. You're wasting people's money. You're wasting people's opportunity. And I've got a big problem with that. Part of the reason why I started the I Tried It series. Anyway, if we continue on, what this content creator suggests that we do is we are going to go over to TikTok. We're going to find viral videos. We're going to download them to our computer. So in essence, steal someone else's work. Then we're going to upload them into Pinterest. But before we do that, we're going to go over to a website called shrinkme.io. And what's going to happen then is people are going to actually click on our link in order to make money. So if we look at this website, we are going to post links to shrinkme.io over on Pinterest, and then we can get paid. You can see here, highest paying URL shortener, join now and earn up to $220 per 10,000 views. Now it's interesting that they say 10,000 views to make it look like they're going to earn or you're going to earn much more money. But essentially, this method has been covered and discussed for years. Before it was TikTok, it was YouTube. You could do the exact same thing with YouTube. And again, I've tried this before, and I know that it doesn't work. Okay, so one of the things that the original content creator points out is payment proof. You can make $17.32. But if we look at the actual payout rates, you're going to see that this isn't logical, okay? You are going to need tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views and clicks in order to make this type of money. And we can take a look and we're just going to see that this doesn't follow the smell test. So the first thing that I want to point out with the payout rates, you can see the highest earning country, because it's actually divided by country, is $22 from Greenland. Okay, that's fine. You can get paid $22 per 1,000 views. You'll need 1,000 people to click on a link, which I'm going to show you in just a moment why that's going to be nearly impossible. 1,000 people, okay? There are 56, almost 57,000 people in Greenland as of 2021. We would need, out of the entire country of Greenland, to about 2% to click on the link. Ask yourself right now, is it logical for 2% of the entire population of Greenland to click on a link and make a purchase? Okay, it's not going to happen, right? So that's number one. You're going to need 2% of an entire population of people to click on a link. Number two, if we come to the dashboard and we actually create a link, I'm going to show you why it's very hard pressed for someone to actually create a link. So if we go to manage links here, we're going to go all links. You can see here is our shrink me link. I can copy this, and when I paste it in just like this, this is what pops up. This pops up before they get to the video. So ask yourself, would 2% of the population click on this? Now I'm gonna block this part out because it's borderline not safe for work, and YouTube is kind of finicky, kind of picky with that, and I don't want to get demonetized. So I'm gonna block out a portion of this. But ask yourself, if someone were to go over to Pinterest, find whatever video that you've created, they're going to click on a link, but before they get to the actual video, they get to this website. Would you click on anything here? Be honest, be for real. I don't want to click on anything. I don't want to click on close. I don't want to click on continue. What most people will do is they're going to exit out just like that, and they're going to go back to whatever it was they were doing. Most likely, they're probably going to block you as well. So again, the process is really simple. You are supposed to, according to this content creator, create a Pinterest pin of something engaging to get them to click. They're going to click on your Pinterest link that takes them to a TikTok video or YouTube video of some sort. And then you're going to put this URL in the URL portion of the Pinterest account. They're going to click on it. They're going to go to that one website, and then they're just going to go watch the video. All of that has to happen for you to start making money. Now, if we look at this, ask yourself again, what's the probability of someone doing this? What's the probability of getting 1,000 people to do this in Greenland? What's the probability of getting 10,000 people to do it? Okay. Now we have payment proof here. I never trust this because we don't know anything. These could be made up names. These could be made up amounts to get people to buy or to join this. In fact, this could simply just be money from referring other people. So if we look at this, we could potentially make money from referrals. Okay, you can see here, the Shrink Me Referral Program is a great way to spread the word of this great service. Earn 20% of their earnings for life. So instead of actually getting people to click on that spammy link that no one's going to buy, you could make more money simply recommending shrinkme.io. That's most likely how people are actually making the money. You can see I've made $1. I don't know how I made it, but I've made $1 somehow with this program. If I click withdraw here, I'm not going to be able to withdraw. You can see there. So again, in my opinion, these are the worst types of videos because they are preying on people's desperation and need for money. Instead of doing this, why not just create your own content on TikTok? You're already there. You're doing different research and different things. What I'd recommend that you do is start stitching videos that you see. Start duetting videos that you see. If you like talking about relationship advice, you can stitch and duet relationship advice. Then from there, you could recommend different courses. You could create your own digital product to sell or to give away. In fact, TikTok is actually paying creators to create content. So instead of doing this, putting in a bunch of effort for low to no results, wasting lots of time, while you're on the app searching for the next viral video, just stitch and duet it, and you can start building your own following. This person has over 234,000 subscribers making copy and paste content. Why don't you create your own unique original content? I know it's a lot harder. I know the results aren't instant. The perceived results are instant here, but you're not going to make any money. I've seen this video. I've done this video multiple times. I know for a fact that anybody that watches this video and finds that they got value and they're going to try it, they're absolutely wasting their time, their money, their energy. And like I said, our most precious asset is time. Think about the time you could be spending with your family and friends. Instead, you're doing this silly little method that won't work. Okay, it takes less time to create a TikTok video than it does to follow this method. Because with this method, you've got to download the video, you've got to steal someone else's content, you've got to create a Pinterest pin, you've got to upload the pin to Pinterest, you've got to go and get the Shrink Me link, and you've got to create a new Shrink Me link for every single video that you upload, or else it's not going to make any sense. You're going to waste more time for low to no results doing this method than you would just creating your own content. Okay. And the content doesn't have to be about how to make money online. It could be about the most recent product that you've purchased. For example, maybe you purchase drones. Come over to TikTok and type in drone review. You can see here that literally millions of people are watching reviews on drones. And this is something that you can do too. You can create content about your life, your circumstances, what you're going through, and it's going to be much more profitable than you stealing someone else's videos, downloading them, and uploading them to get paid absolutely nothing. Okay? If you do this method, you're not going to make any money. If you do this method where you create your own unique original content, you're going to have a better opportunity to make money. Okay? So don't do this method. Don't waste your time. The only reason why I'm making this video is because I started doing research. I saw this video was really popular. It was really trending. I started to do research, and then pretty quickly I realized that this is the exact same video as everybody else. You can look on my channel. I've made an I tried it video to this type of content, but I want to make sure that people know that this isn't going to work and this is going to waste your time. Watch this video next because YouTube says it's going to actually help you start an online business.